Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a cuboid on your Google Sheet web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a cuboid in your Google Sheet web, I just going to show in this video on the computer. So there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet web because we are just going to search here, there is no symbol. So use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative. Here I'm just going to type the alternative key. You just need to type Alt key with Alt key, and also you can have another option. You can just press Windows key with the dot symbol. Okay, so you just need to press Windows key with the dot symbol. So this will opens the dialog box, Windows shortcut dialog box. Press the Windows key and dot symbol on your keyboard. It automatically opens this dialog box. Here you just want to change to the symbol option first. Then you just need to change. There is a lot of categories here. You just need to change to this category called math symbol and just scroll down and to the bottom section, and here you can find the cuboid. So this is how you just insert a cuboid on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.